Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will set up our navigation flow inside the main activity. The idea here is to check if the user is logged in or not, and based on that, we decide where to navigate. So this will help us to navigation before we connect our register, login or forgot password screens. So first, we will declare variables for auth, and another one is for auth view model. Auth variable is for Firebase authentication and auth view model to access our authentication logic. And here we initialize Firebase authentication to check if a user is logged in or not. Then we create repository. Here we create our repository factory and view model. We also save FCM token for notification. So this way, whenever the user logs in, we already have their notification token stored in Firestore. Now we will set up initial navigation. Now hit and Alt plus enter, it will create a function to invoke. So under this function, we will check if user is logged in or not. So this setup initial navigation function will check if a user is logged in or not. If no user is logged in, this will directly return or navigate to the register fragment. We also clear the back stack using set popup so the user cannot press back and go to unwanted screen. Now we will create a function called setup navigation listener. We will invoke this by Alt plus enter so that it will create a function like this. All right, what we can do here we add a listener on navigation changes. So nav controller dot add on destination change listener. So here we add a listener on navigation changes. If we are on main fragment, search fragment or profile fragment, we show the bottom navigation bar. Otherwise we hide it. For example, when we are on login, register or forgot password screen, this bottom navigation which we are seeing here is not be seen on authentication screens. All right, so let me run this project again to see the changes, whether we are navigating to the register fragment if user is not authenticated or not. Let's see. All right, cool, we are successfully able to navigate to the registration screen. So we fix the navigation issue. In the next video we will connect the actual authentication UI, register, login and forgot password with this setup so the navigation flow works end to end. Yeah, thank you.